All right, here are all the questions that you need to do today. I'm going to read them one at a time so that you can follow along with me. And this is on page 126 in your book. It's the very next page. All right, it says solve, draw bar models to help you. If you need a refresher on bar models, go ahead and watch the mini lesson that you just saw again. Get a quick refresher on that. Question 1. Todd has two gardens. His vegetable garden is 240 feet long. His flower garden is 150 feet long. How long are both gardens? So think about that question right there. Are you adding, taking away? Okay. Question 2. A ribbon 72 inches long is cut into two pieces. If one piece is 38 inches long, how long is the other piece? So this one, I'm going to show you a quick bar model in case you're struggling with this one. So for question 2, we know that the bar model is going to be 72 inches long in total. So you can draw a nice long bar. We know that the whole thing is 72 inches from end to end. And we know we're cutting this into two pieces. We just don't know what their sizes are. The next piece says one piece is 38 inches long. I know 38 is less than 72, so we can split this somewhere in the middle, I think. So we can call one side of that, maybe this piece right here, we can call that 38 inches. Now, how long is the other piece, this piece right here? We don't know that. That's up for you to figure out. So that's your question mark. So think about how you'd figure out getting that question mark. Are you going to be adding, subtracting? I'll let you figure that one out. Number 3, Misha stretches a tape measure to 245 inches. Wow, that's a big tape measure. Naomi stretches her tape measure 28 inches longer. How far does Naomi stretch her tape measure? So think about that. Are you adding? Are you subtracting? What might your bar models look like on that one? I know I might make a bar model that's 245 inches, but then we know that Naomi stretches her tape measure 28 inches longer than that measure. So think about that. Number 4, Albert is 60 inches tall. His sister is 17 inches shorter. How tall is Albert's sister? Number 5 is a two-parter. A wire is cut into two pieces. The first piece is 34 inches. It is 18 inches longer than the second piece. First part of the question is, how long is the second piece? Part 2B, what is the difference in length between the two pieces? So try your best with that one. I'm interested to see what you guys come up with for answers. And remember, use a bar model to help figure these questions out. The whole reason why I made this video is so that you know what all these questions say. So feel free to come back to this if you need it read to you again. All right, good luck, second grade.